Hi, Kyle. I was under the impression you guys have already presented sketches before and you knew what an acceptable quality of work was. So I gave you an example here of what they were supposed to look like. A sketch is clean, clear, white paper. I think it says that on here. Use pencil on unlined paper. Um, you have to have even lighting. I'm pretty sure I put that in the video. Let me go to the announcements. Are you watching the videos that I'm posting? Because this is an online class, you have to look at those, right? So let's see what it says here. I don't want to play the video, but um, let me see. I'm going to turn off the sound here. Probably have to watch a commercial. No. Yeah, so I talk about it in detail here about what's acceptable, what's not acceptable. So make sure you read that. Um, I don't grade revisions, but I do take the effort into the final grading. I take that into account. So if you revised all of your work at the end of the course, I'll look at your grade, and if I see you have revised work in good faith, then I will bump up your grade. I think that's fair. But as far as asking me all these questions, like, do I need different lights? Should I have put it on white paper? It's all I had, all that stuff. All those things, honestly, they just sound like excuses to me. You even admitted it wasn't your best work. You know what to do to submit good work. You've got to go above and beyond. I gave you guys a whole week to do this. It's plenty of time. And I know you know how to use Google. If you're confused, I'm available. I'm on the computer every single day. You can ask me for tutorials. I've made videos. So you've got to take your own responsibility. So let me give you a little story. Hold on a second. How to present sketches, graphic design. So there's a million images and so forth on here that you could, you know, help you as you get your work together. So this is a nice one. I'm going to put this on the screen as I talk. Or maybe I won't. Oh, look at that. Wonderful. That's what I expected to see from you, is that level of quality. So you just need two lights, and yes, if it doesn't turn out perfectly, you bring it into Photoshop and adjust it. But anyway, so I've had many jobs, and my first real job was an assistant animator at a game company. And it shocked me the level of work they expected me to do. And it was after a week of getting frowned at that I figured I had to take 100% responsibility for everything. Like all the questions I had, anything in my mind where I thought it was good enough, pardon me, I did a 180, and I knew that it wouldn't be good enough. Good enough is not a language in that environment. You've got to do everything to the best of your ability. And that's just what's expected. Like people, pardon me, people who say good enough, or they just sort of hand it off, or they come up with excuses, that you're going to get fired. So start now in your life while you're still in school. No excuses unless like you were in the hospital. Do your best, go above and beyond. This class is about you. I don't care what you're going to do after school, but you need to take this time to think of this work as your portfolio work and what's going to help you get a job. And I have a lot of experience with this and I can help you, but you've got to put forward your very best work. So those are the students that I can help the most, are people that really put that effort into it, and I can help you go from there. All right, I'm done with this lecture. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye-bye.